Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making Chinese black pepper beef. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's take 400 grams of beef tenderloin and slice it into thin strips along the grain. Now, in a bowl, mix it with 1 egg white, 10 milliliters of light soy sauce, 5 milliliters of dark soy sauce, 3 grams each of salt and black pepper, and 10 grams of cornstarch. Finally, drizzle in 10 milliliters of oil and give it all a good mix. Let this beauty marinate for 20 minutes. Trust me, it's worth the wait. While that's happening, let's slice up 250 grams of onions, mince 20 grams of ginger, and chop some scallions. In your wok, saute that minced ginger and scallions until they're super fragrant. Then add 10 grams each of black pepper powder, chili paste, and oyster sauce. This is where the magic happens, folks. Add a splash of water, let it bubble up, then toss in our marinated beef. Watch as it gets coated in that amazing sauce. It's like each piece is getting dressed up for the grand finale. Here's a professional tip. Add a little cornstarch slurry. That's just cornstarch mixed with water. And watch how it transforms our sauce into this gorgeous glossy coating that clings to every piece of beef. Finally, a drizzle of sesame oil for that incredible finishing touch. Heat up that iron plate and drop in 30 grams of butter. Once it's melted, spread those onions across the plate, then top it with our gorgeous beef. Finish with a sprinkle of scallions and red chili. And would you look at that? This stunning dish is ready to steal the show. Friends, you must try our Chinese black pepper beef. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.